So today I'm showing you guys a makeup tutorial with this awesome Vampira palette that I recently received, and many of you on Instagram said y'all want to see a makeup tutorial with this, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I had done a cut crease previously. Sorry. I already have foundation, primer on, and eye primer on, so I'm basically ready to do my eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette, and I'm also gonna be using a little bit of the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette just for the transition shades for I forgot what shade I was gonna use it for, but yeah, I'm using some transition shades from this one just to make it like the eyeshadow look really nice and blended. I could just blend it out with like just using that one shade, but I like to mix colors and kind of like blend them out to make them look really nice. So yeah, so I'm basically using these two palettes today. They look really pretty together actually. Like I love the way they look. They complement each other actually. But mostly today I'll be using this eyeshadow, the Vampira eyeshadow palette. But I'm using this a little bit for transition shades, of course. Okay, so first I'm gonna be dipping into the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. I'm using a Wet n Wild's blending brush. It's really fluffy, so I'm gonna be using that. The first shade I'm gonna be dipping this brush into is called Exodus, and it's this neon green. I'm just gonna dip a little bit into that, and I'm basically gonna do a cut crease today, so I'm just gonna kind of blend the shadow like probably like over here and kind of maybe a little bit up towards my eyebrows and over here. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm gonna be adding some tape right here to make the what's it called to to make the line straight. Next, we're going to be using the Vampira palette, and the shade we're going to be using is this green one called Nefarious, if I'm right. Am I reading that right? Yeah, I guess so. But anyways, we're going to be using a little crease brush, and I'm going to be dipping into there. And I'm just kind of lining up where I want my cut crease to be, and I'm also going to be blending it out with some blending brushes. Using some concealer and a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna cut it basically. I don't know, y'all see it. Okay, now we're going to remove the tape since I'm pretty much done with this already. And next I'm going to be adding some eyeshadow where I cut the crease. I'm going to be using the shade Untarnished. And it's a really, really pretty like silver shade. Like it's legit like silver in your skin. Like it's so pretty. If y'all watch my Vampira unboxing video, y'all see how it looked when I swatched it. It's very beautiful. I'll put a link down below if you want to check it out. So next, I'm going to add Velvet Moon, the shade. It's kind of like a silvery, pinkish, purple. Like, it has like different shifts to it. But anyways, I'm going to add it to the corner of my eyes right here. Just to give it a little bit different color right here. kind of make it pop out a little more. Not much of a difference, but it still looks pretty nice. Okay, so next I'm using the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette, and I'm gonna be using the shade Baptism, which is like a kind of like almost white, but it's kind of like a purplish, pinkish white. And I'm gonna get my blending brush. I'm just gonna get a bunch on there, and I'm just gonna brush it underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use it for the transition shade for what's gonna go underneath my eyes right now. Next, I'm using the shade Astro Vamp, and it's a purple metallic shade. And I'm gonna get a little blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply it right underneath my bottom eyelashes right here, kind of like right against the water lines. And I'm gonna apply it, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so next I'm using Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner and Trooper, and I'm just gonna do a winged eyeliner look. Okay, next I'm going to be applying Kat Von D's Basket Case Liner onto my waterlines. So next I'm finally be drawing on my eyebrows, and I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eyeshadow Quad in Smoke, and I'm going to be dipping my small angle brush into the black right here, and I'm just going to draw my eyebrows. I'm going to draw them on a little bit higher, just kind of give it like a little Vampira effect, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding some mascara onto my eyelashes. I'm also going to be adding some false eyelashes too. And I'm probably going to contour my face off camera too, because my camera is kind of dying and I don't want to stop and like charge it. But then after that I'll show y'all what lipstick I'm going to put on and stuff, so yeah. So I kind of want to show you guys the eyelashes I was going to put on before I put them on. I got them from Untitled Cosmetics. I've been talking about them in the past couple videos, and I thought the packaging is really adorable. Like, it's like holographic, it has like a really cute alien on there, and I love it. And I'm using the eyelashes in Space Queen. I think they're perfect for like winged eyeliner looks, because it gives it that dramatic winged effect. So there they are. I don't want them to fall out. But yeah, but I thought the packaging was really cute, and it even says on the inside it's holographic, and it says "too cute for this planet," and I thought that was adorable. So yeah, I love it. I like anything space themed. I like spooky things. Also like space themed stuff. That's pretty cool. But it's pretty. I like the packaging a lot, and it has like green glitter in the background on the side, so it's like really cute. So yeah, I thought I just wanted to show you guys this little eyelash palette before I put it on. Okay, so now next I'm going to be applying Jeffree Star's Dirty Money onto my lips, and I thought it looked really cute with the green eyeshadow, so yeah. That is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look as much as I did. Many of you have requested it on Instagram because I posted a photo of me wearing makeup, basically the same makeup, and I asked if anyone wants to see a tutorial for this, and many of you all replied yes. I don't know if any YouTube subscribers follow me on Instagram, they replied yes, but I know some people on Instagram follow me here, so that's pretty cool, so thank you guys so much for your support. But yeah, many of y'all wanted to see it, so here it is. And so now I'm showing you guys how I created this cut crease using this Vampira eyeshadow palette. The transition shades, you can do it or not. It doesn't really matter. You can always just use one color and blend it out as much as you can. I just like using transition shades because I feel like it makes the shade blend out even nicer and smoother. That's just me. I don't know. That's just how I am. So yeah. Yeah, I really love this eyeshadow palette. It's probably my second favorite palette. First one being Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette, of course. But yes, honestly, I think these two palettes, they complement each other really well. I mean, look at them. They look so beautiful next to each other. Like, these are my favorite two eyeshadow palettes, and they just look amazing next to each other. Such a work of art. But yeah, This palette is beautiful. It's coffin shaped. If you guys want to see my unboxing video, I'll try to remember to put a link down below if you want to see it, or just go to my channel. I just posted it recently, so it's not really hard to find. So yeah, if you want to see me unbox it and swatch it, you can go watch it. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below on this video. Tell me guys what kind of other looks you want to see with this eyeshadow palette. I'll probably do a purple smoky eye in the future, like a purple halo smoky eye next. So yeah, tell me what kind of other eyeshadow looks I should do with this Vampira eyeshadow palette. Give me some inspo. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome things coming up. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!